In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your license plate light lens on the back of this Ford F-350. Let's get started. In our case, this license plate light lens is already broken, but if it wasn't broken, this is what it would look like with just a cover on top of what you see here. And typically, you would want to pry right in here. There's going to be a little slot that will squish this little tab in, allowing you to pop it out. Potentially, you may have to also pry on this side. That should get it right out of there. And this should, at that point, twist right off. Here's your old license plate light lens. We'll take the new one. This is a good time to inspect and replace your bulb as well. Slide this into the new one. Make sure the slots line up. Turn it clockwise to lock it in. Well, clockwise from the back, that is. Counterclockwise if you're looking from the front. And then make sure the lens is actually pointed towards your license plate. Snap it in, and that's it. Do the same on the other side if needed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.